Welcome to our tutorial on adding a SALUS Solo thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. Let's start by launching the app. The Add Device or Provisioning Wizard steps you through the process of adding a Solo thermostat to your account and configuring it to work with your system. There are three ways to initiate the Provisioning Wizard. If there are no devices associated with your account, the app opens to the Add Device page and simply tap the plus button. If you had previously added a device or devices, you have two options. First, go to the device page and swipe left until you see the Add Device page, and tap the plus button. Or, tap on the menu button in the upper right-hand corner of the page, and then tap Add Device. The app on your mobile device uses Bluetooth to scan for nearby Solo thermostats. The wizard will display a list of available devices. Simply tap on the device you want to add to your account. The app will scan for available Wi-Fi networks and present you with a list. Simply tap the one you want to connect the thermostat to. You will then enter the password for the Wi-Fi network and then touch Confirm. The thermostat will now join the Wi-Fi network and then connect to the SALUS Solo cloud server. Data from the thermostat is uploaded to the cloud server and then synced with the app. Give the device a descriptive name and then click Next. You will now be presented with app preferences to set degrees F, degrees C, 12 or 24-hour clock, and the appropriate time zone. Click Next for a list of system parameters based on the equipment installed and how it is intended to operate. The first step is to choose the HVAC type between conventional, heat pump, or dual fuel systems. We'll select conventional. Next, you select the number of heating and cooling stages. This is determined based on the equipment installed and the HVAC type. Finally, for a conventional furnace, you need to choose whether it is gas or electric. For gas, the fan is controlled by the furnace. For electric, the fan is controlled by the thermostat. As I mentioned, the system parameters are different based on the type of HVAC equipment. When you have a heat pump or dual fuel system, there is a reversing valve to switch between heating and cooling. When set to O, the default is heating, and it switches over for cooling. When set to B, the default is cooling, and the valve switches over for heating. When you are satisfied with the system settings, tap Next, and you will see a list of the functional parameters. The functional parameters are pretty self-explanatory in terms of enabling and disabling frost protection and setting a frost set point, as well as setting a maximum heating set point and a minimum cooling set point. The parameters that may be of particular interest are span, which sets the difference in temperature between when the heating or cooling turns on or off, also referred to as hysteresis. The deadband, which sets the separation between heating and cooling in number of degrees. And then the temperature calibration that allows you to offset the display of the thermostat. When you're satisfied with all of the functional settings, tap Next, and the app will open up a page that shows you all of the functional, preference, and system settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap Confirm in order to save the changes to the device. The Solo thermostat is now fully configured and ready for use. Simply tap the SALUS logo at the top of the page and it will return you to the device dashboard. Thank you for watching and look for more videos to come.